Hi everyone, my name is Lawrence. After I posted the previous video last week, I received inquiries from some of the readers and I will address them today. Before I start, this is the usual disclaimer. Okay, welcome back. So, what are the questions that I received from the readers? Okay, firstly is hey Lawrence, can you tell me step by step how do you invest every day? And secondly, the stock they want me to analyze is have narrowed down into three stocks. It is Apple stocks, Alibaba stocks, and Starbucks stocks. Okay, before we start any analysis, we always look at the big brother first. So if you want to invest in Singapore stock, you have to look at the STI index first. And if you want to invest in the US stocks, look at the S&P 500 first. And my focus is always in the US stock market. The reason being is US is still the largest and the leading stock market in the world at the moment. So let's start. So this is the chart of the S&P 500. Okay. If you don't understand what is this all this green arrow and the red arrow, you can go back to my previous video and watch. If not, I will explain to you here. Okay, green arrow means is bullish, is a good time to invest, and red color arrow means bearish, just stay out from the stock market. Okay, so what is the color of the arrow now? It is green, which means the overall stock market for the US is still bullish. It's okay to stay invested now. So this is the very first step I do in the morning every day. Then after that, I will look at the individual stocks in terms of whether it's a good fundamental stock or not. If it is a good fundamental stock, then I will plug in the stock code into my chart and see whether it's a green arrow or red arrow. As simple as that. So what are the three stocks I will analyze today is Apple stock, Alibaba stock, and Starbucks stocks. So let's assume that we have done all the analysis, the fundamental analysis, and found that these three stocks are good fundamental stocks. Then we will go into the last step, which is the plug and play method into my chart. And before I show you the chart, I want to tell you always do your due diligence. I'm just a retail investor like you. I am not responsible for your losses, and if you make any profit, just donate 10% of the profit to the less fortunate, be it to your charity or just buy a tissue paper from the street. It's okay with me. Okay, let's come back to my chart. Okay, firstly will be the Apple stock. You just plug into the stock code AAPL, Apple stock. So we just click and the chart will automatic come out the arrow for me, the green and the red arrow. Okay, so what is the color of the arrow? Okay, is green. Okay, let's go into the first green arrow, which is at the 10th October 2016. During that time, Apple stock was trading as 117.63, and based on last Friday closing price is 156.10. If you buy from the first green arrow, if you buy from the first green arrow and hold it until last Friday, you make 32% gain in 7 months. Okay, so I analyzed the first stock, the Apple stock. Okay, next we shall move on to the second stock, which is the Alibaba. Enter the stock code and click. Okay, the chart also automatically come out with the red and green arrow. So what is the first green arrow? Okay, it will be on the 8th August 2016. During that time, Alibaba was trading at 98.25, and based on last Friday trading price is 120.34. If you buy from the first green arrow and hold it until last Friday, you will make 22% gain in 9 months. Okay, I have done my second analysis on the Alibaba stock. So lastly, we shall move on to the Starbucks SPUX, the stock code, and click. Okay, you can see that the system come out all the green arrow and the red arrow come out. This is after the recession, okay, 2008, 2009, and okay, all the green arrow come out. This is a very good uptrend stock, very trendy. Okay, and the red arrow only come out on last year. Okay, then we just sell away. And after that, when is the first green arrow come out? It's on the 12th December 2016. During that time, the S&P, the Starbucks, it was trading at 57.66, and last Friday trading price is 59.93. If you buy and hold until last Friday, you will make 3.9% gain in 5 months. You may think it's a small profit, it's only 3.9% in 5 months, but it's still much better than your bank interest rate. Okay, let me sum it up for you. Okay, so what do I do for my investment every day? First, I will look at the overall stock market first, which is the S&P 500. Check whether you are going against the overall trend of the stock market. Secondly, check whether it is a good fundamental stock or not. If it is a good fundamental company, then go to the last step, which is the chart. It's a plug and play method, like playing computer game. When you see green arrow, just buy. When you see red arrow, stay away or sell. As simple as that. Hope I have answered your inquiry today. Lastly, I shall end you with a quote. If you can't explain it to the 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. Thank you, everyone.